Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to reset App Store on iPhone, which can help fix issues like apps not downloading, blank pages, or loading errors. Now let's get started. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where we'll reset some key features linked to the App Store. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. If screen time restrictions are enabled, they could be blocking access to the App Store. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and make sure the setting is turned off, or check that iTunes and App Store purchases is set to allow. Next, go back to the main settings screen and scroll down to General. Tap on iPhone Storage and wait a moment while it loads the list of apps. Find and tap on the App Store app. If you see the option, tap Offload App. Then reinstall it to refresh the app data without losing your settings. Now go back again to Settings, tap General, then scroll all the way down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. This can help resolve App Store connection problems. Just remember, this will also remove saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords. Finally, open the App Store app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Scroll slightly and tap Sign Out. Tap Done if prompted. Tap on the profile icon again and tap Sign In. Tap Continue, wait 5 to 10 seconds, and sign back in to complete the reset and see if the problem is fixed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more iPhone tips and solutions.